I'm Ennis James. I originally came to Greenwood in '79 as a solo internist and went back and did a cardiology fellowship. I'd actually never been to Greenwood before I began to look for a job, and found it and fell in love with it, and have been here 30 years. It's a great location. The medical center is unbelievable for a community this size. Is really what originally attracted us, and it's just continued to be successful. It's remarkable how the medical community that's been assembled here. Back, I think the original medical staff in the 50s, Mr. Self actually interviewed himself and hired them himself and picked high quality people, and it's just built from there. It's been remarkable. The capabilities that the hospital's allowed us, both technologically with equipment and the nursing support and ancillary help, has attracted the kind of physicians that allow state-of-the-art procedures to be done here. Is one of the things that's made such a great place to practice and to see the benefits to the community from that. We've felt that the hospital's been successful from the very beginning. We've had great CEOs and great administration, great nursing care, and excellent medical staff. But the foundation is an opportunity to help the hospital in a different way, not because they necessarily need our help, but it allows us to provide some resources to do some things often outside of the hospital walls that might not be done without that additional assistance, or might be done in a different way. So we feel like it's a way to add to the success and make it an even more beneficial effect. Over the past years, part of the income has been returned to the community and community services, but the foundation has allowed them some resources to work with projects, simple things that aren't necessarily critical to the operation of the hospital, but that have made the experience better, reached out in the community, and helped the health of the community, which is their focus, not just to be a hospital inside the walls. Greenwood has always had a charitable basis, I think. The hospital was basically given to the community, and Mr. Self and the Self family, I think, have inspired the whole community, and I think all of the nonprofit organizations in the community are remarkable for the amount of support, but especially the hospital. When people come and visit and hear about the hospital ball and all the things the community does in support of the hospital, these are from bigger cities in the area, they're amazed at how the community's behind the hospital and how interested they are in its success, and how willing they are to participate in that success. I'm giving because I care. I'm forever self.